So guys, the last function on a case conversion method is casefold. Now this a very rarely used function, but it is very important. That's why I thought of covering it. Now what casefold method or function does is it converts all the characters in the string to lowercase. Now I'll say what is the difference between lower and casefold. Now, uh, in addition to having it in lowercase, it also performs additional transformation to handle special cases, such as certain Unicode characters that have different representation in uppercase and lowercase. Yeah. The resulting casefold string is suitable for performing case insensitive comparison. Yeah, methods like equal to. So when we are trying to compare methods or compare certain strings or variables, it will act as a case insensitive method. So it will not take into consideration any kind of case sensitive information, and it will compare between each other. How it does, we'll show it. I'll show you. First, let's see the syntax. Syntax is str dot case code. That's it. Yeah. So there is no parameter or any uh, return value as such. The only return value that it gives is the lowercase characters. Yeah. So let's understand what happens. So if I have a string equals to hello world, so it will convert this string to a lowercase text dot case code. Yes, I'll print it rather than just putting it some another variable. str1, not text. Yes. So let me run this. So it is converting all the characters to hello world. So even if I have this string in upper, hello world. Yeah. You see this, it is converting into lowercase characters. Yeah. Now it again does not have any effect on symbols, punctuations, or any text or any integer within the string, which we can see. I'll just mix everything. So I have this punctuation called hello world 2024. Yeah. Let's see. And this, it does not have any effect on the number. It does not have any effect on the punctuation, but it has converted the uppercase to lowercase. Now, what I was talking about casefold not having any, having this suitability in performing case insensitive comparison is suppose I have a string called, I have a str1 that is in small letters, hello. Yeah. And I have another string which is in capital letters. Yeah. I want to compare both of them. So if I'll say str1 dot casefold equals to str2 dot casefold. Yes. Print both strings are equal. Or it will print both strings are not equal. So you see that it will automatically case fold both string to smaller, and it has given me the. So it is very useful in terms of case conversions where you do not need to specify that it has to be converted into lower or it has to be converted into upper. Yeah. Same way, suppose I have certain, let's write some description here, comparison with case fold. Yeah. Which becomes case insensitive. Yeah. So lastly, let's take an example of where we have a non-ASCII character. So E, O. So it will convert them to equivalent, yeah, characters that are equivalent to a lowercase. So if I put a lowercase here, I'll put the same thing. Yeah, put str1. Yeah. Let's see what happens. See this? But if would have tried it with lower, let's see what happens with lower. I also do not know. So see this? So this is how it recognizes uh, the non-ASCII characters within a string and provides us equivalent to what is there in its lower case. Yeah. So I guess this was one of the important functions that I thought should cover. Yeah. Uh, Within string conversion, and this was the last one. Thank you so much. Do subscribe, comment, or like my video, and do subscribe my channel Ice Can Analyze to see much more simplified versions of various topics of Python. Thank you so much.